All right, 2010, December 27th. Blizzard 2010, first storm of the year. We got about 12 or more inches, but it's hard to tell because there's 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts. They've blown all the snow everywhere. Kind of took my first pass at getting things cleared away. Grandma Pat is down in Florida right now. We're on our way there. I'm going out here. This tree is going to fall down. We're very worried about that one. A little windy. We're going to see what Sam and Rain are doing. Hey, what's going on here? Let's see the tunnel. Can you girls go on? You go on one side and you go on the other side.
No!
I have the video going. I'm taking a video.
No?
No? This is the tunnel that they dug. Let's see. Uh-oh. Looks like it's almost ready to fall over. Fall through. They might need a little help. Give them a little help and I'll video Raina going through. Wait.